I'm Joy Scola. I wanted to talk to you about resistant loop bands. Plus, there's a giveaway in this video, so watch to find out how to enter. With so many on the market, I was having a hard time finding a pair that wouldn't either A, roll up and down my legs as I was trying to work out, like the flimsy rubbery ones, but I was also looking for something that wasn't as thick and tight as some of the wider booty band belts on the market. So looking for a happy medium, I came across Lecardio Fitness. I have fallen in love with their bands because it gives me the elasticity of the more rubbery type bands, so I can use this with my bar workouts, transition from legs to arms and have no trouble. But it also had the cloth material of a thicker booty band, but again, without that crazy resistance, so it prevents it from rolling up and down my thighs and made sure that it stayed in place. The box I received came with 3 levels. Starting off with their light band, again, this is about as stretchy as a rubbery band is, so I can use it for my bar workouts and transition from arm type of exercises to leg and glute exercises. Then there is the medium, which has a slight bit more resistance to it, and then up to heavy, which is a lot more resistance. So if you want to almost be like you're lifting weights, then you would use the medium or the heavy, maybe eventually graduating all the way to the heavy. But if you're looking for more reps or even doing more recovery type workouts for injuries, then the light band is definitely the way to go. In order to win your set of Lecardio resistance bands, leave a comment saying Lecardio resistance bands plus what your favorite type of workout to do with bands are. Good luck!